Here at the Blue Sage Merchant, we have thousands of treasures come across our counter. Today we have a Bernina 820 QE sewing machine, and it looks great and operates smooth, but we need to find out the hours of use by the previous owner so we'll know just how used this sewing machine is. First, make sure the sewing machine is turned off. Then, while pressing and holding down the reverse button, turn the machine back on. This is going to take a few seconds for all the screens to come up. Hold down that reverse button. The correct screen will say Service Program. Now touch the Information button, the one with the big eye on it, or button number 1. Then the clock symbol, or button C. Now here you see time working, 36 hours. There's more information on there, but that time working is the most important here. Now to find the stitch counter, touch the X button, and then touch the stitch symbol, or button D. Here you'll find the stitches total and a bunch more information. Hit the X button again, and you're back out. Please like this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.